Did you know that chamomile can be used as a tea to help you lose weight? Recently on our channel, we made a video about the benefits of this herb, so special and beloved by many people. If you want to learn about the benefits, click on the card and get to know more about the powers of this tiny flower. But the tea we will show you today is the first here on the channel. The benefits are many and can improve the life of those who drink it. Another ingredient in the recipe that is also great for those who want to lose weight is ginger. It gives a refreshing touch to the drink and is also rich in antioxidants, just like chamomile. It's a great duo to drink, either hot or cold. Write down the ingredients. Half a cup of fresh ginger chopped, 2 tablespoons of chamomile tea, 9 cups of water, honey to taste, ice cubes. Directions. In a pan, pour 1 cup of water and honey. Once it boils, add the ginger and remove it from heat. Let it rest for 10 minutes. In another pan, add the remaining 8 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Add the chamomile branches and let it rest for 5 minutes. Strain and put it in the fridge for 3 hours. If you want an iced tea, add ice cubes. So, did you like this recipe? Did you know that chamomile and ginger can help you burn fat? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.